Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to open the dollar bead box and the dollar bead bag for February. So I'm going to put the box aside and we're going to start with the bag. So for those of you who aren't familiar with this is $8 a month. It is a subscription and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads. And I just want to let you know that I have a coupon for you for the box or the bag or both or anything on their website. The code is bronze2 and the coupon is good for $2 off any purchase. So that's always nice. I'll put that in the description box below the video. So here are our fire polish beads. So bead bag subscribers can reorder February items through March 2020. So they're $1 a strand. They are the best deal around. So let's take a look. These pretty pinks and greens, love. So 3mm, half antique brass, half antique copper. Oh, cool. So that's half and half. Look at that. That reminds me of that California Gold Rush check bead color. That's beautiful. Love. Mint green AB. Always beautiful quality fire polish beads. Get 50 beads per strand. Metallic pearlized purple. Again, these lovely finishes. They're so pretty. Look at that purple. Hope you can see that. That's gorgeous. Look at that finish, the way it's, you can see the darker around the faceting. It's gorgeous. And deep rose luster. Such a pretty color. There we go. Those are the 3mm. Let's go for the 4. Teal, half metallic Lumi. I love these names, but it's really pretty. That's gorgeous. Look at that color. That metallic. And it's half metallic, so you can see it's transparent, just crystal, and then half metallic. Love. Fern green, half copper. Beautiful. Really have to do this with copper seed beads. Got an idea coming. Tanzanite vitriol. So this vitriol is kind of that, that metallic, multicolor sort of finish on there. And then it's half, so it's got the crystal as well. Very pretty. And raspberry copper. Love this bead. So raspberry with it's got like a copper, look at that, copper wash. Can you see that? It's like a matte copper wash over it. I love that. That's beautiful. So I love any kind of, metallic like gold or copper, whatever, with sort of a rose colored bead. Really pretty. All right, so there are our fire polish beads. Again, $8 a month. 4 strands of 3mm fire polish, 4 strands of 4mm. So I'm just going to put these aside. Look at that sparkle. Really pretty. I have a whole playlist for everything I've made using the dollar bead bag and dollar bead box, so I'm going to link that below as well. So you can take a look at that if you'd like some ideas on what to do with these beads. So here's the box. So the box is as low as $18.50 a month, and it changes. So go to the website, dollarbeadbox.com. Check out the subscriptions. Depends on how long your subscription is. You can get free shipping. It all depends. So you want to check out, all the possible ways that you can join. All right, so here it comes in this pretty paper. And we have our little letter, and I'll just summarize it real quick. So if it's February, it must be time for the Tucson Gem and Mineral Show. Who is going to that? I'm not, but I've never been to it. But that is one show I would love to go to. I will probably come home with, 200 pounds of overweight in my luggage if I did. So their buyers are going to be there. That's cool. All right. So let's take a look at what's in here. So here's our list. Everything is listed here so that you know exactly what you're getting inside. I'll pull the beads out. I have not looked at these yet, so we'll be looking at them together. Get the paper out of the way. There we go. All right, so we'll start with the strands. So we have 2mm check glass pearls, and these are in Mystic Purple. Oh, these tiny little 2mm. I love these. These are so, I love 2mm beads. These are such great little beads to fit into small spaces where you can probably fit an 11-0. Pretty much, sometimes you can use it in place of that. Look at that pretty purple. This is Mystic Purple, 42 pieces. And then we have 3mm check glass pearl. These are 3mm in Mystic Purple. So you have the 2 and the 3. Cool. 40 pieces. These are beautiful. I love this color. And then we have 3mm, sorry about that, check glass pearl in navy. So navy blue. It's beautiful. It looks like like lapis color. That's beautiful. Love. 6 by 10mm check glass drop. Crystal Maria acid wash. Shall we free them? So into freeing the beads. Let's cut them, take them out. Okay, now you can really see them. So let me hold them up. That's a beautiful drop. Look at that etched color. That is really pretty. That's gorgeous. And you get 15 pieces, 16 pieces. Okay, did I mess up? I think I did, but let's see. Okay, so these are, yes, these are the acid wash. Okay, 6 by 10. And then it says 6 by 12 check glass tabular drop, which oh, here we go. All right, here we are. So she messed up on that one. This is the tabular drop, so that's really beautiful. So tabular is like a flat bead. Look at that, isn't that pretty? And that is in vitro. So here's the clear on the outside with sort of a color wash, and then the silver on the other side. That's really pretty. Okay, so now we're straight. 8mm check glass druck, and this is opaque turquoise copper wash. I love these 15 pieces. Look at that beautiful opaque. That looks like you just dug it up out of the ground, right? It looks like metal, but it's not. It's check glass. Look at it. It looks like you found it on the ground in like Arizona or something. That's beautiful. Love. Somewhere in the Southwest. 7mm check fire polish, and this is crystal metallic sapphire or crystal metallic teal. I'm not exactly sure which one this is, so I'm going to open it up. Maybe I'll see the color better. I think this is the teal. Yes, okay, this is the teal. So that's a little more of a teal color. Wow, that's gorgeous. It's so pretty when you cut the strand and you actually get to see, you know, the beads all together. They're gorgeous. All right, so there we go. Make sure I got everybody. I did. Okay, so additional items. So we have 10 by 20mm check glass drops in true purple. Oh, these are pretty. These look like amethysts. These are big guys. Those are really pretty. Beautiful. That'd be beautiful on the bottom of a necklace, like a pendant. 9mm pewter filigree bead caps. And these are antique brass. And I just actually ordered a whole bunch of different bead caps. I mean, a real collection of bead caps, which I'm going to be using a lot lately. And these go beautifully with them. These are gorgeous. Look at that. That's a stunning bead cap. I love it. Look at the dimension on it. That's really pretty. Love. And these are 9mm. You can even put, will they fit on the bottom? You can even put them on the bottom of a bead like that. Really pretty. Okay, 17 by 22mm check glass bumblebee. Opaque white with gold wash. Oh, here we go. Here's a bumblebee. Oh, both sides. Look at the pretty, what did they say? Opaque white with gold wash. Such beautiful focal beads. This is the place to go for a focal bead, right? 22 by 24mm dragonfly. This is antique brass. So pretty charm. Great. I love it. And it's double-sided. I love that. That's really pretty. And then a 14 millimeter dragon check glass flower, lavender opal. Oh, pretty. 2 pieces. Gorgeous. That is really pretty. I love the sort of copper on the inside. And then we have 9 millimeter check glass flower, red opal. And we have 8 pieces, so this is a little smaller. We get 8 pieces with this one. That almost looks good enough to eat, right? Pretty. 10 millimeter pewter flat round with geometric design. Oh, okay. 3 pieces. So that's pretty. That's like a spacer bead or part of an earring. Like you could put a head pin or eye pin through it. Just like that. Okay, we have an earring right there. Bicone ear wire. Done. Perfect. Perfect summer earring, right? Okay, and then we have 6 by 10 millimeter pewter cone. We have 2 of these. These are great for bracelet ends, or you can use them as bead caps as well. I don't know if it will fit. Yeah, it won't quite fit on this bead, but maybe it'll fit on this bead. So they're, I think of these as bead caps as well as cones, as ends. So, think about other things you can use them for as well. 5 millimeter check glass struck in garnet, 24 pieces. These are beautiful. Like little pomegranate seeds. Really pretty. That might look pretty on top of our, the purple with this guy and an ear wire. Just like super simple. That's what I love about the dollar bead boxes. You can make like super simple stuff really quick. 18 millimeter check glass fluted coin, beige opal, 2 pieces. It's a nice big bead. Pretty fluting on that. Oh, here I missed 1 bead in there. Okay, so here we go. Hold it. There's the hole this way. That would be pretty like as a choker, right? Right in the, like a little hole like at the end of the neck there. Right there. And put a chain. Just do something super simple. Or maybe this. Make a little necklace, just, with a chain or with just some beads around the neck. That's cool. All right. And then 22 millimeter stamped disc in brass. Okay, so here's a stamped disc, and it's stamped with like a leaf pattern, and it's got 2 holes here. But I see this also in bead embroidery. You can glue this down and then do a bezel around this, which is really pretty, or you can use it, as a, use the holes and use it as a connector piece. Well, so very pretty. All right, so here we go. Move this down. So here are all our beads. And all these colors are looking really nice together too, aren't they? So if you get both, you really have a nice selection of beads here. So don't forget to go to their website, dollarbeadbox.com, and check it out, see if it's right for you. Really, really beautiful, affordable beads. So if you're looking for a bead, a box or a bag that is affordable, but that gives you a nice selection of beads that you can just make so many beautiful projects out of, check it out. Check the links in the description box below the video. Don't forget the $2 off coupon code. There's the bag. Here's the box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.